Choosing a sewer system is one of the most important decisions a community can make. It's a decision that will affect the community for decades. The Prelos liquid-only sewer system is the culmination of technologies Orenco has been developing and refining since 1981. Prelos provides an efficient, affordable, and sustainable solution for communities and developments that need sewer infrastructure, whether it's new, an expansion, a repair, or a replacement system. The core of the system is the Prelos processor, an all-in-one complete unit that's easy to specify and install. It provides primary wastewater treatment and breaks down solids at the source, then pumps liquids to the wastewater plant for final treatment. The 1,000-gallon Prelos processor provides 1 to 4 days of emergency storage capacity. It's engineered to be easy to maintain, lightweight, watertight, and impact-resistant, with low power consumption. A single riser and lid provide easy access from the surface to all the components, making it simple to maintain with basic tools and equipment. Based on decades of proven sewer solutions, the patented Prelos processor tank stores and passively treats solid waste, reducing the volume of biosolids and final treatment costs. Prelos has a passively self-cleaning pump vault with a filter that can be accessed without removing the vault, pump, or discharge assembly, simplifying operation and maintenance while reducing costs. The processor also includes a lightweight effluent pump that's easily rebuildable and can last 25 years or more. Orenco's click-tight wiring connection system easily connects the pumps and controls and offers simple serviceability. The Prelos sewer system uses small-diameter, pressurized, shallow-buried pipes that follow the contour of the land. Prelos main lines are often installed with directional boring, which doesn't require trenching. These main lines can be installed with minimal disturbance to the ecosystem and without disrupting existing businesses, roads, and utilities. The cost to make Prelos sewer main lines available for connections can be up to 90% less than the cost of gravity sewer main lines. Prelos reduces the life cycle costs of wastewater treatment systems because it provides primary treatment to the processor. And while it can be used with any wastewater treatment plant, Prelos works especially well with modular, decentralized treatment plants that can be located at any point in the collection system. Prelos main lines can be used to expand service in an existing sewer system or for new developments that need service most. This allows for deferred capital cost on slow build-out developments, since there's no cost to install or maintain processor units until customers connect. Orenco, providing reliable, affordable, and efficient wastewater solutions for residential, commercial, and municipal systems since 1981.